This video is sponsored by Squarespace, more about them later. Ikea keeps releasing new products every single month. So today we're going through some of the best new Ikea finds for spring 2025. I'm An, this is Mars. Thank you so much for stopping by. Before we dive in, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button to never miss another video again. Now let's go. The first spring Ikea find I have for you is the SOLVINDEN Table lamp. This vibrant blue lamp looks so interesting and so unique. It's battery operated, so no wires or cables tangling, which means you can place it anywhere you want. Plus, this one is safe to use for both indoors and outdoors. Another one from that same collection and in that same style and color is this beautiful pendant lamp. This one is not battery operated, but I just love the idea that you can hang it from the ceiling as a pendant lamp. Love the color and the soft light it spreads, and it would look so good both in a living room or a balcony. Another new pendant lamp that's perfect for outdoors is this oval lamp made out of maintenance-free plastic rattan. This one spreads a cozy light, creating captivating shadows around the space. Now moving on to furniture. One of the best Ikea products I ran onto this spring was definitely this extendable table. This durable table makes it so easy for many people to dine while having plenty of room for chairs, since the table legs are positioned furthest out at the corners. The smart design means that the tabletop has no seams when you use the table without extending it, which is just amazing. The sturdy underframe in powder-coated steel feels so minimal and light on the eyes. Plus, it's so easy to extend it and tuck it back in to make more room in the space. Loving it for both indoor or outdoor use. Another new furniture piece that caught my eye was this elegant nightstand. This bedside table in walnut veneer has a matching steel underframe and has lots of storage possibilities. It has a top shelf, a handy drawer, and an open storage compartment. In other words, everything you need to store items that you want close to the bed while looking so stylish. A new Ikea find for this spring is also this beautiful plant pot. This one is made out of durable plastic rattan and has such a charming hand-woven expression that makes each pot unique. This one also comes in a flower box version 2 for $19.99. Loving it. Now, before checking out our next Ikea new find, let's just take a quick break to talk about today's sponsor, Squarespace, the all-in-one platform that makes creating your online presence perfectly effortless. First off, their fluid engine is absolutely incredible. I've been using it for my own site recently, and the way you can precisely position elements exactly where you want them is just so easy. It makes designing a website feel almost like playing with a high-tech puzzle, and it's so much fun. And can we talk about their visual design tools? They're such a game changer for anyone who cares about aesthetics. You get access to these gorgeous visual effects that make your site look so professional. It's just perfect for creating that polished, cohesive look without needing any design background. And what makes it even better is how easy Squarespace makes it to integrate your social media platforms. You can connect all your accounts, display your Instagram feed, share your post automatically, and everything stays perfectly in sync. Plus, your website visitors can easily share your content, which is so important for growing your audience. So if you want to create a website or an online store, head on to squarespace.com for a free trial. And when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/homebymon to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to our new IKEA finds. Jumping into spring, IKEA released a whole new collection called TJÄRLEK. This collection consists of a few new products, mainly made for table setting and decor, that perfectly captures the spirit of spring with vibrant colors, hand-painted patterns, and playful shapes. Let's just start with the first product, which is this colorful branch decoration. This one is just perfect to set that mood for spring. I could totally see this one as a jewelry hanger or just as a decoration on its own. The flowers are removable and you can rearrange them however you like, which is amazing. Another colorful product from this collection is this set of 3 vases. These look so cute and so funky and are perfect for showcasing small flowers. Probably my favorite find from the TJÄRLEK collection are these beautiful colorful glasses that are made for both drinks and desserts. These look so fun and they will give your spring dinners a shimmer that's extra festive for sure. Also, this candlestick that sadly is not yet launched in every IKEA store. This one is made in solid colored glass and has a slightly uneven surface that makes the warm colors shimmer a little extra. So cute! Moving on to the table setting, another find from this collection is this cute yellow bunny egg cup. And although this decorative egg cup is meant for eggs, it can also be used to store small things or salt and other spices on your table. Plus, the lid will protect the contents from dust, which is great. This beautiful flower-shaped side plate is another new product from this collection. IKEA's definitely jumping on that flower bowl trend that's so hot this spring with these plates, and I'm loving it so much. Also, this yellow bowl that is perfect for soups, dips, and even snacks. And the last product from this collection is this cute orange egg cup / bowl. I just love these vibrant colors and interesting shapes, and I can't wait to see this whole collection in stores. And when we're talking about dining, another new IKEA product this spring is this 4-piece cooking set. This set is made out of aluminum with a hard-wearing salt gel ceramic and a non-stick coating that reduces the risk of food burning or getting stuck. The comfortable handles make the cookware so easy to lift, and I especially love that the pot has small holes in the lid that reduces the risk of the contents boiling over and also allows you to easily pour the water out through the lid when the food is ready. Such a smart solution and such a great collection. Another new IKEA find I absolutely love are these cute little dip bowls. These are made out of stainless steel and are perfect for dips and spices. There are so many new cushions and throws at IKEA this spring. However, my favorite one is definitely the GRÖNKNAVEL set. The throw comes at $9.99 and it looks so soft and so cute with the check pattern. This one is also perfect to combine with the matching cushion cover that is sold separately for $5.99. I honestly can't wait to get these for my living room. Another new IKEA throw this spring is this teddy fur throw. Is this teddy fur blanket that will create a cozy and snug feeling into your home. This one is a bit thicker, but it feels so soft against your skin. Plus, it can be machine washed, which is amazing. This one also comes with a matching cushion cover that comes at $14.99. Loving it. And that wraps it up for today. I really hope you liked this new IKEA spring finds. If you did, let me know which one was your favorite by leaving me a comment in the comment section below. Mine was definitely that check pattern throw in white and beige. I just can't wait to get it on my next trip to IKEA. Also, just look at this guy here. How is he sleeping like that? Thank you so much for watching and for staying with me to the very end. And now let's move on to a daily dose of this guy. Are you gonna sleep like that? Oh, Mars. Oh, Mars. You're so cute. You're so cute and comfy. Oh, look at those legs. I love you, Mars. Oh, you're falling asleep. You're such a good boy. Guys, send Mars a lot of hugs since we are actually at this moment in Rome and he's all alone. My brother is babysitting him, but he misses us so much, so please send him a lot of hugs in the comments. See you next week, guys. Bye!